graphics typical to gaming and gamers, but also graphics that belong in futuristic technology-based designs, like this arrow or the glass overlay. Now these work because the design's vibe of the message is technology and futurism, and so the symbolic use of these 2D icons pushes that narrative further. Also, the focal point is so blatantly futuristic and tech-orientated. We can see the coding over the face, and everything about it just appeals to the design message and the target audience. Oh, and as a side note from a past course video, check out the movement and the flow of the arrows and the lines that point left to right. Yeah, I just thought I had to add that into the video. But the next way symbolic interaction has been used is with typography. Fonts and typography carry meaning and they evoke emotion. We all know this, and so selecting fonts with specific characteristics, an example here, modern and futuristic sans serif font, can influence how the audience interprets a message. In this instance here, it pushes the message and the story of the design being cutting edge and in line with the gaming narrative. The serif font here just simply wouldn't work because it would dictate an incorrect symbolism. And there's another pretty obvious use of symbolic interaction here, and that is with colour. Blue is a very technology-based colour, and then we see it accented with a vibrant neon red, which is almost cyberpunk in style. Red is exciting, and together with this colour scheme, it looks very futuristic and it would appeal to gaming audiences. The next point really puts the interaction in symbolic interaction, and that's because in interactive designs, such as websites or apps like this example, we can use intuitive symbols and gestures to align the user's expectations, which creates a seamless and meaningful interaction. And that's relevant here on the Discover More section. The arrow symbolizes movement and continuing onto the next thing, which is where the designer would like the user to go. Again, it's simple, but it works, and it's a tried and tested method within graphic design. But can you find any more cases of symbolic interaction on this design? If the answer is yes, slap it down in the comment section below. One way that you, as a designer, can evoke a message is by including hidden messages or creative elements in a graphic design. So on this can design, if you look closely, the polar bear's eyes are made up of bottle caps. And then the light reflection on the nose is actually an entire cola bottle. That's pretty cool, right? And I wonder how many of you noticed that. But this simply makes the design a bit more interesting to look at, a bit more memorable and more clever to the consumer. If we quickly move into the world of logo design, here's a logo that's been applauded by designers for years. It's the Unilever logo. So the Unilever logo is designed as a collection of various different icons